Two things you have to do to fix error 403 in Roblox. First, you want to open up your computer search for run, click on run, type this, app data, click OK. Now you want to go into local, click on any folder, type R, find Roblox, right click on the Roblox folder and make sure you delete it. Now, once you have deleted the Roblox folder, what we're gonna do is open up Roblox and reinstall Roblox here. So we're gonna open up the Roblox protocol and make download Roblox and reinstall it here. So we're just gonna click on it and it's gonna begin installing. While this installs, you wanna open up your computer search for VPN, click on VPN settings and make sure you are not connected to any VPN here. If you have it added, uncheck it. And that is gonna fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.